Hey everybody, welcome to Pepperina's World. Today I will be unboxing. I finally got it in the mail today. So let's see what's inside. Bam! Here it is. The Homgeek low speed horizontal juicer. So it has 80 RPM slow masticating and grinding. 3 adjustable pressure settings, easy to clean with automatic pulp ejection, high juice yield to extract more nutrients from the fruits or vegetables, quiet operation, less than 60 dB, safe PPMA material, and keep a healthy lifestyle. That's what all this said. Come here. Okay, so we're gonna open this box. RJ is here with me. Say hi to the people.
Hoi.
Hoi.
Hoi. It's like another word for hi.
Oh my gosh. So let's open this up. So as always, user manual.
User manual. What are these brushes supposed to be?
We got a brush to clean and a cord.
Say this. Yeah.
Show them. It's just a little wrapping.
Wrapping thing. Get out of here.
This is dusty. It looks like the top. The 2 containers. It looks like. I have no idea what this clear little thing is. I don't know. Oh, they already have it put together where you put the fruit in or the vegetables so they can juice it.
And we have this white thing.
Oh, and then here's a filter.
I think we have.
And then this is the big mama.
The big mama.
The juicer, the motor. So, here's the big mama, which technically, this is not looking very new. Do you see this? I don't know what this is. And then over here is like sticky or something. And then the inside right here looks like some little stains. That looks like rust. That's freaking me out. Let's see these other little portions of the bag. Of course, the container, which is very dusty. Here's another one. Okay, so this one is smaller than this one. It fits inside. I have no idea where this is gonna go. There's that. Don't know where it's gonna go. Oh, so that's like an extra portion? So fancy. I was trying to see, can I, oh. I can't unlock it, which is bad. I mean, it looks super clean, which is good because I was thinking it was used. I'm assuming this is just an extra filter. So let me look through this user manual and I'll be back. This thing was truly a beast to take apart because it was set in there so well. I don't know if the manufacturer was the one who actually did this or was this used. I don't know. Because this looks like it was used, but it looks new. I see like some little water stains or something on here. I don't know if it's visible to the camera right here. But anyway, we're gonna see if this works. So you place this inside and you just twist. Then you place the little filter. Wait, am I going the right way? Yeah, duh. Place it in there. Do I have it in correctly? Then this little jigamabob, and you have to make sure it's unlocked. I don't know if you see this unlock and lock, or the opposite, lock and unlock. So let me just turn it. I don't know if y'all can see that. Place it inside. There's some little grooves in here, but you just put it in snug, lock it. This is what I had a problem with taking off. It also has a little groove. Let me see if I can tighten it back. Probably not. That is hard, but it's locked back in place. So it's all put together. Then this just goes on top like so. This you insert to push the fruit or veggies down. And then of course, these two containers, one to catch the pulp and one to catch the juice. I have no idea if all that's in the camera. So juice, pulp. I'm assuming the smaller ones for the pulp. I hate reading directions, but I guess I should read. It's because I still don't know what this little clear piece goes to. So let me go back and try to read. You know? So let's just go over everything real quick. This is the power cable, in case you guys didn't know. This beauty that I said was the big mama. This is the housing, the motor. This right here to lock and unlock. This is the locking ring. I don't know if you can see. Right there to lock it and unlock it. That's the, what did I say? The locking ring. And then this right here is the on and off button to go forward and juice. You click it like that, click it off, it's just in the middle. And then to reverse everything, you're gonna click down. Then this is the pusher that you push inside to push the fruit or vegetable down, which of course this part, the black part that goes up here, this part is called the hopper. This is the drum. The black part on the inside, that twist, is the auger, and this portion is the filter. I have an extra. You can see it inside. And then this black part is called the end cap. And there's this little clear part, which it doesn't say what to do with it. This is called the juice buffle. And then, of course, there's the juice container and the pulp container and the cleaning brush. And that's about the thing. I will tell you guys, this pusher, you're not supposed to just jam it down and be like, just hurry up and juice. It's a slow juicer. So you're going to gradually take your time and push the fruit or vegetables down. Don't jam it. That's how you can get something stuck in here. And you're going to have to take everything apart to get to it. Because I'm actually reading the manual, and of course it's telling me all this good stuff. Also, it says to wash, just immerse all the parts. Of course, take it all apart and put it in soapy water for like 30 minutes. And then to use this brush and make sure you actually hit that filter real good, or else things will get stuck on there and then you'll have trouble the next time you're trying to do it. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this into the kitchen, wash all the parts, and let it dry. And if I can, hopefully in the morning, I can juice some stuff or juice tonight. I should probably juice tonight because I've been having a sore throat and I've been sick. So I have an idea of what I want to juice already. And technically it should be fine if it's wet. Like what would the problem be? Because these parts are gonna naturally get wet. So technically I'm gonna wash it, then I'll show you how loud it is and all that good stuff when it's on. So be on the lookout. I'll be back. Wash the pieces in my little tiny kitchen. So I'm just gonna let them dry and I'm gonna start peeling some fruit and show you guys. Okay, so I have ginger I cut up. I ended up giving up on the whole peeling process. I have like 4 oranges that I cut up and went ahead and divided. Then I have a mango that I'm gonna peel the skin and cut it, and I'm gonna juice all this. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like. It's spinning. Let's put some ginger in. I probably put a little bit too much. Ooh, look at that ginger juice. Okay, so I juiced one whole ginger root, and I got like half an inch of ginger juice. Look at that pulp coming out. I wonder how dry this is. Oh yeah, this is dry. That's amazing. Now, well, I don't know if I should pour some of this into my juice container. Okay, so now I'm doing orange slices. And I did like 4, they were like pretty big oranges. Okay, so this is almost full. Still has a little bit of flesh stuck in there. And I only have 4 more slices left. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into my jug and slice my mango up to get ready to juice it. Okay, so technically I put my last 4 slices inside the juicer and it's filled. There's some pulp still trying to make its way out. And there's some juice in there, some flesh. But I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna let it just continue dripping and cut up the mango. Peeled. Now I will cut it. Here's all the orange juice mixed in with the ginger. Okay, so this is all the juice I got from that one big mango. The pulp is wet. Of course, what do you expect? It's a fruit that's really juicy. I don't know if there's a machine that can get the pulp of a mango drier than this. Well, this is actually the pulp repulped, if that makes any sense. It filled up, I poured it back in the chute, ran it again to get more juice out. So this is a drier version of this. And of course you can see the dry, this is super dry, the ginger. And under here is also the orange slices, which I probably should have re-ran that through to see if I could get more juice out of it, but I didn't. This is how full my jug got with 4 pretty good sized oranges, 1 mango, and some ginger root. I believe I should dilute it, of course, because this is pretty thick. So I'm gonna add water to it, and I'm thinking of maybe pouring some of this into my empty container and diluting it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. The only thing I wish they would have had a little recipe book that came in the box. But once again, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.